you got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
Perfect. All right, man.
I couldn't get as much out because of voltage.
Yeah, you kept trying to tank out on you.
Here's some
And you got the fan back there for it. It is blowing out there. All the fans inside.
No, actually inside. Behind here.
And it circulates. That's nice. You put this thing together, didn't you?
I tried to. My dad was
You win it every day. You gotta make it right.
I got two dreamsicles I'm putting in there for the show.
Oh, you already got them?
Yeah.
Before they sold out?
Yeah. 218. Little ones. half on.
I'm thinking about trying to grab 2 of them.
I mean, for the price to be good.
They look good too. They do.
It's not very leaves what they are.
Yeah, I mean really.
Orange cold.
This whole front piece come out so you can put them in there.
I think I gotta take these out.
Yes, sir. That's alright.
Alright, man.
My boy,
Daily, man.
let them know they can find you on social media anywhere.
Yeah, the Subwoofers on TikTok.
Okay. Yeah, I was just give him a call. Appreciate it, man.
Appreciate
I'll
it.
see you on the next one, brother.
All right.
All right. Thank you.
Right equipment ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.